Here's a great exercise to strengthen the muscles of your neck and to improve your posture. So, for this, you're going to need a table, a floor, a bed, and you're going to lie face down. Now, I have a little something under my chest, a little pillow, and I have a pillow for my forehead. Now, my forehead is going to look just like this. My hands are going to be comfortably at my shoulder height, or if I have to, I can always bring my arms down. And from here, you are simply going to lift your head up. Now, notice how small of a motion this is. So, there's two important tips here. Number one, don't go too high. And number two, don't look up. I don't want you looking up. I want you to look straight down to the surface that you're lying on and simply retract your neck. Now, you can do a lot of motion by lifting up your entire upper back, and I don't want that. I want your whole entire upper back to be nice and relaxed and really not moving that much, and just your head coming off. So, see how it's only 1 or 2 inches. This is a great strengthening exercise again for your neck, and this helps reverse that forward head position that all of us tend to have from being on our phones and our computers for so much. So try this out.